I love sitting here. This is the place where we come camping. We've just arrived at the very best camping site in the Sussex-Surrey border. We're going to go kayaking as well, and hopefully the weather's going to hold out for us. So come with us and see what it's all about.
I used to think I'm the problem.
The first thing we're doing is we are going kayaking, which I'm really excited about. I've been dreaming about this. We've seen some rain, but fingers crossed it won't rain. Okay, so it's quiet on this part of the river, which is gorgeous. It's a little bit busy back there, where you can see people have been stand-up paddleboarding, which is amazing. Can you hear those rush? Yeah, gorgeous. So you've probably seen before, this is the place where we come camping quite frequently. Oh, it's really windy on the thing, isn't it, Jazz? Anyway, we've hired this tandem kayak, which costs us £20 for an hour. You get all the equipment, you get to wear the life jacket, which is brilliant. And I do recommend camping here. It's not the cheapest, but it's got everything that you need and want. We normally go electric hookup. Look round at me so they can all see you. That's my daughter Jasmine, in case you've never seen her. There she is. And I really miss camping here this year, haven't you, Jazzy?
Yeah.
Really miss camping. But we're going to go back afterwards and we're going to have some cake and we're going to show you the camping area. And when you leave it, we're not moving.
Yeah.
If you carry on up this way, you go to Bodiam Castle. I don't think we're going to go quite that far.
Give me 2 minutes, I think.
Yeah, come on, Jazz, get us up there. They're cute, aren't they?
Yeah.
So we're now just floating down the river. Sideways on, which is really, really cute. I like.
Until I realized we were different types, carrying a different triggers, scaring us to death. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide. I'll wait, I'll wait. Old days, I used to blame me for crying, till I realized that I had needs you didn't meet. But that's all days, now that we see
That was a brilliant bit.
Can we slow down, start over?
Okay, it's nearly time for us to take our boat back, but we've just come down this bit where all the little boats are. Super cute, isn't it, Jasmine? Look at that one, it's called Lauraloo. That's my name, in case you didn't know that.
Not the Laura bit.
Not Laura. But yeah, it's cute. And I think you can go fishing here as well. Or used to be able to, but I don't know, it might be private now, I'm not too sure. But what a gorgeous day. And it stayed nice for us. So we're coming to the cafe area, which is lovely, and I've just ordered my nice little, say cafe area. That doesn't feel like I'm doing it justice, does it? Look at it, isn't it beautiful? I love sitting here. So a little bit of sort of sad for you. When we lost our lovely Harley, we actually came here and had a little bit of a wake for him. I know that might sound a little bit strange, but he just loved it here, and he used to sit here with us, and I can find a bit of footage, I'll pop it in there now, but we're planning to sit out in the garden for a bit and listen to some music. DJ starting, everyone out there in their tents. Oh, it's just such a happy place.
Come closer. Oh, someday we will collide someplace where we can hide our space. Forget the world outside, just for a while, some way we will be fine. Safe place, just you and I, always. I will wait for us to collide.
So that's all the camping, all the people over there having their nice time in their tents, which we haven't done yet this year, have we? No, and we're probably not going to now. Beautiful day still, so we're going to sit outside here, a little bit of music on the go, a little drink of water, or neat vodka. So we've just ordered some chips and some sweet potato fries. I'm very excited. And the lady just came up to me and she said, "Did you just order a cocktail?" I said, "No chance whatsoever." We just came inside because it started to really rain out there. So we thought we'd take for cover, didn't we? Yeah. Sit here in the corner again. Why not? So sweet potato fries for me, regular fries for Jazz. And looks like sun might be out. And we've got a gorgeous rainbow, look at that. Oh, it's time to go home now. Hasn't it been relaxing? Lovely. We want to come back and camp again there because it's just such a relaxing vibe, nice place to be. We normally come when it's not school holidays, don't we?
Yeah, we do.
So we don't have all the kids. Okay, right, take care guys, bye! In the next video, come with us as we venture off to South Wales to go and have a look at a dancing competition, which was so much fun with our friends. And that was directly before we ventured up to Centre Parks. So we've got another one of those coming up as well. Make sure you stay around for that. I can't wait to show you.